Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to be microneedling my tummy tuck and body lift scar. I had surgery about 5 months ago, and so now is the time that I'm starting monthly microneedling. This is going to be a deep microneedling on the tummy tuck scar. I'm going to do this every month for 1 year. If you want to know the product I'm using and discount code for purchase, go to gorgeouslyaging.com/scar. Today I'm using a Dr. Pen M8, and I will list that down in the description down below. Just hit the ... more underneath the video title and you'll find more information. For the scar treatment, I am using a 2mm depth and a speed of 6 on my Dr. Pen M8. Later in this video, I will show you the healed results after the microneedling. Because this is a pretty new scar, it's going to take not only time to heal, but regular microneedling. I also use scar gel and a scar tape to protect the scar and to help it heal. I will also list those down in the video description below. I am going both horizontally and vertically in this treatment, and sometimes in circles. I'm being pretty aggressive with this microneedling as this is a thick, dense scar. It's the intentional microinjury of microneedling that creates a cascade of healing events within the tissue that helps to build collagen and reduce the scar. This method can be used on any scars. Being more cautious with scars on the face, I'm being a little aggressive here because the scar is on my body, but the same depth and speed can be used on scars that are on the face, just being a little bit less aggressive. It's also worth noting that on the face you may not want to do so many passes. I'm going over this scar quite a few times on the face, maybe once or twice, and then building up as you tolerate. As far as bleeding, it is never the goal to cause bleeding. Everybody is different. I tend to be an easy bleeder, so you will see bleeding in this video. Not everybody bleeds so readily, so it's definitely not the goal to cause bleeding. I decided to wait till the 5-month mark for needling my scar because I wanted to make sure that the scar had healed sufficiently so that microneedling would be effective. This is definitely not an overnight scar fix. This will take time and consistency of doing microneedling regularly over the next year or maybe even 2 years. Microneedling is a safe and effective way to do facial rejuvenation and scar treatments at home, and I have plenty of microneedling videos, tutorials that are free at rumble.com/gorgeouslyaging. You can also find a direct link to those videos at gorgeouslyaging.com. I do share some microneedling tutorials here on YouTube, but some of my advanced facial rejuvenation can be found on my website and over at Rumble simply because there's less censorship. When first starting to use a Dr. Pen, do not move it as quickly as I'm doing here. Definitely get the hang of using the Dr. Pen, understanding the depths and the speed before you move the pen quickly. And on the face, it's best to go slow and steady and be cautious not to create excessive injury. Although it is controlled micro-injury that creates that cascade of healing in the skin from microneedling and that collagen building response, you don't want to over-injure the skin, creating scarring or scratches on the skin. Once finished, I'm wiping the area but leaving that skin booster behind, then adding a liberal layer of restorative cream. And this is what my scar looks like a week later after microneedling. Again, it's only been 5 months since my tummy tuck and body lift, so the healing process has a ways to go, but I will do this monthly for the next year, and I will keep you all posted. In addition to regular microneedling, I will be using scar gel and scar tape to help the healing process and minimize the scar. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, join the Gorgeously Aging community by subscribing to my channel. You can also find me on all socials. Just search at Gorgeously Aging.